Everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how add animated smoke to volumetric light on this image, and add simple smoke from a hot surface. It's maybe a cup of tea or coffee. Anyway, for animation I will use my panel for animation, FX animation, and we will work with layered image section. Okay, let's start. First we need to configure our image. For this we need press this button. Okay, our image properly configured. Let's add some smoke, of course. Select any brush, you can download it from the internet. Let's set our brush. Okay, let's draw our smoke. Okay, maybe we need to duplicate, merge, and change blending mode from normal to overlay. Okay, it will be our smoke one effect. Let's add some another smoke, maybe more smoke on the floor. Let's see what we have interesting. Cool. It will be smoke too. Okay, and let's add overall smoke. Reduce the size. Okay, we will fix this area and this area a little bit later. Let's create our animation. Go to our panel image motion, and you need to follow the arrows. As you see, we have 4 steps. First steps, we need to give a correct name for animation. It's button create animation. This button edit your results if you need, and click OK if you done. Okay, turn off these 2 layers for a while. Go to our circle and click first button. As you see, we have a notification that we need to rename a layer which we want to animate, and give it name animation. After, we need to go to the second step and click play button to create animation. Okay, let's give name animation. Okay, and click play. Okay, we need set the endpoint and when you will finish, click enter on your keyboard. Okay, let's do it. And we need set a start point. Okay. Cool. Animation is ready. Let's see our animation. Cool. I don't need to do any change, any transformation with these animated layers, and that's why I skip this step, and after I click OK. Good. Go next. Let's animate our smoke too. Set the slider in the beginning of the timeline. Okay, the same. Go to first step. We need to name our layer. Let's do it. Animation. Click play button. We need to set the endpoint. And let's set a start point. Animation is ready. Let's see our animation. Cool, very cool. And again, I don't need to do any change and transformation with this layer, and I skip this step and click on this button. Okay, good. Go in the beginning of our timeline. You can turn off these layers and let's animate this layer. Okay. We need to rename our layer, give it name animation, press play, set the endpoint. Okay, of course we can move your layers, but you have the second option. You can move and, for example, scale up a little bit. Okay, and let's set a start point, move right and a little bit scale down. Cool. Animation is ready. Let's see. Cool. My animation is ready. I skip this step. I will show you quickly how it's work. For example, you want edit start or end point. Click on this button. You edit a start point. When you will finish, press enter on your keyboard. Okay, a little bit move right. Okay, and I don't need edit my end point. Okay, click enter. Let's see our animation. Okay, we have created 3 animated fog, and let's finished our animation, create mask, and let's draw over our maybe cool. Turn on these group layers, create mask, let's reduce our opacity brush and cool. Yes, I see. Okay, turn on this layer and let's do with this again. Let's see our animation. Maybe it's too much here, and maybe we need to remove a little bit here. Good. Let's see our animation. Very cool. It's pretty realistic result we made. Okay, go next image. It's very simple and very quickly and easy to add smoke from hot surface. First we need to set up our image. Okay, our image properly configured. Let's create smoke. Again, select a brush. Select the smoke. Let's see what we have. Cool. It will be smoke 1, and let's add smoke 2. What we have, let's see. Nope. Yep, maybe this brush we need to use. Let's duplicate. And a little bit, maybe a little bit increase. Okay, we can change our opacity a little bit later when we create animation. Okay, go our circle, this circle with layered image. What we need to do, okay, we need to rename our layer to animation. Click play. We need to set endpoint. Okay, and we need set a start point. Okay, animation is ready. Let's see. Cool, very cool animation. Go next. I skip this step and go to fourth step. Okay. Let's animate our smoke too. Give the name animation. Click play. Let's set the endpoint and set a start point. Cool. Animation is ready. Let's see our animation. Cool. I need to fix this area. Don't worry, it's very easy. Create, click OK, create mask, select soft brush with black color and a little bit draw here. Cool. You can't do the same with this layer. And after, as you remember, we need to change, we can change a little bit opacity. Cool. Let's see our animation. And finally, we have static smoke. Let's remove them. Sorry, I don't need this layer. Yep, just select black soft brush and over. Cool. Let's see our animation. Our animation is ready. And finally, let's see how we can export our animated image. Go to File, Export, and Save for Web. It's about animated GIF. Also, you can render a video. Let's see. You can render as video, or you can render as Photoshop image sequence. Your choice. But in this tutorial, I will show you how we can export animated GIF, and I will show you how we need to configure with best setting for best showcase our GIF animation. Go to File, Export, and Save for Web. We need to wait a little bit while Photoshop calculate each frames. Okay, what is the best settings for exporting as animated GIF? First, of course, we need to make sure that you have selective and teaser algorithm, diffusion, color, 256 number of colors. These are 100% transparency, and we need to have interlaced. Okay, that's all that you need to export animated GIF in high quality. Okay, I don't need this resolution, maybe it's too much for me, maybe 800. Okay. We need a little bit weight. Okay, and last important thing, if you want to looping animation, you must change looping option from once to forever. Okay, click save. Car, maybe folk animation. Okay, click save. Okay, let's see our animation. Cool, our animation is ready and is ready for publishing in social media, on a website. Anyway, maybe in next tutorial I will show you how to add additional elements, add text, and how we can increase our time from 1 second, 2 seconds to 3 seconds. Okay, thanks for watching. Visit my webpage, see my panel image motion, create a awesome animation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me via my website. Okay, bye and enjoy.